So hey guys, so today I'm gonna install, it's not exciting, I know, but it's like, again, those little touches that you add I think make a big difference. I picked up some of these valve caps and the sleeves as well. I'm not sure if these will fit. They look like they will, so I'll give it a shot here and see. But basically just chrome valve stem caps and sleeves. Again, nothing crazy on this video, but just a nice little touch. So here's what you get. You get a set, and I hope these work because I like covering up the black rubber valve stem. But a lot of times they don't work because they have sensors, but these don't have them on the stem. So, and then here's a nice cap, has a rubber grommet in the bottom, so it'll help seal it. It is plastic lined, I don't know if you can tell in there, so it won't seize on your stem, which I really like. It's not a good idea to put metal ones on there. So here's the stem. It looks like it'll fit right on. And since this car has a lot of chrome, we decided to go with this, since she's not going to block everything out on this car. So look at that. It actually fits right on there. Again, it just slides on. And then you just put the cap on it. And it just takes away that black. Now it flows really well. Again, all plastic, the valve stem cap, and then the sleeve as well. And you just slide it on and screw the cap on. Don't go too crazy when you tighten them, because again, it's plastic and you can crack them. But you definitely want to stay with the plastic so you don't have any problems with it being seized on there. If you live in cold environments, they can corrode and cause a lot of damage to have to replace the stem. So just a word of advice. But again, I think it was $7 for all of them on eBay. It's really cheap. You can see there has a little plastic sleeve inside where the threads are. So check the link in the description, guys, if you want to get you a set. And like I said, these fit perfectly. The sleeve does. It's hard to find sleeves that actually fit because they're kind of all generic, but these ones slide right on, as you can tell, and they go all the way down. So it's a perfect fit for this vehicle. They won't fit on the Acura TLX, I know. It's a different design. But for this, you're good to go. If you're running, if you like the chrome look, I'd pick yourself up a set. Very easy to do. And like I said, $7, can't go wrong. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Let me know what you guys are doing, what you guys are planning to do to your MDX, what you guys like about it, what you don't like. I'd like to hear you guys' comments. I do, and I appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.